So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to change the theme to dark mode here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, go to the bottom right and select the profile icon. Once you're on this page where it says settings, personal information, notifications, go ahead and select that. Then once you're on the settings page right here, I want you to go down to where it says app preferences and app appearance and then select that. Then once you're here under theme, go ahead and select that option. And then if you want to change it to dark mode or light mode, in this case dark mode, we'll go down and press on dark right there. Then as you can tell, the theme is now changed to dark mode. And then you can go ahead and proceed this way. If you want to change it back, you can press theme, change it back, and you can kind of go from there, but I'll just leave it at dark mode for this example. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to change the theme here to dark mode on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.